In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $1,000 a month very easily with the NordVPN affiliate program, and I'll be giving you 3 free strategies at the end of this video. And if you don't know what affiliate.watch is, it's my website where you can come and find the best affiliate programs completely for free. Let's go ahead and get started. And in case you're not familiar with NordVPN, I'll just give you a brief introduction. It is the biggest VPN company out there with over 7,000 VPN servers in 118 countries. And it works on Android, iOS, Windows, Mac, Linux, and many other devices. It has a ton of different features, and most importantly, it is very fast. And since NordVPN is the most popular VPN company out there, it converts very well for affiliates. And signing up to the affiliate program is super easy. All you need to do is click the link down below, and it will bring you to this affiliate page. And you can see the commission structure right here. They pay 40 to 100% on your first sale. And what's amazing about this affiliate program is they pay 30% reoccurring commission on every single renewal. So you can make commissions well into the future just by referring people today. And signing up to the affiliate program is super easy. All you need to do is click the join the program button right here and then fill out this 1-minute application. And once your application is approved, you'll be able to access the dashboard and you can get paid out via PayPal or wire transfer. And here are 3 strategies you can use to promote the NordVPN affiliate program. One is to create YouTube videos either promoting NordVPN and putting a link in the description. And there's also a lot of YouTubers who put a NordVPN link in the description and their video is not even about NordVPN just because it converts very well. The second strategy is to write blog posts if you don't want to be on camera and put them on your website. And it can be blog posts, for example, comparing NordVPN to another VPN company and showing why NordVPN is better. Or you could do very specific videos about specific features because this will be easier to rank in the search engine. And the third strategy is more of a bigger project, but it can make a lot of money. And that is to create a website that compares VPN companies, and it's all about VPNs, and you can make a lot of money doing this. And the average commission on NordVPN is a little over $30. So if you just get 1 sale a day, that is $1,000 a month, and it's very easy to do. If you want to find more affiliate programs, then make sure to check out affiliate.watch. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.